Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel N8N subscription. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official N8N website. After signing in, navigate to the N8N admin panel. Go to left-hand side and click on Admin Panel option, which serves as your main dashboard for managing your account and subscription details. Take a moment to look through the layout and then locate the section related to subscription management. You should see a Cancel Subscription option, though the wording may vary depending on updates. Click the Cancel Subscription button or link to initiate the cancellation process. Make sure to read any on-screen messages carefully as they may offer extra instructions, confirm your decision, or present alternatives such as pausing your subscription instead of canceling. If you're currently on a free trial, you don't need to worry about canceling it manually. N8N automatically ends trials when they expire, and all trial data is deleted without requiring any action from you. This ensures you won't be charged accidentally, and that's it. So that is how you can cancel N8N subscription. So that's all for this video. Thanks.